What's the meaning of coarse fish? Coarse fish. Coarse fish.
Coarse fish. Coarse fish. Coarse fish is a term used in angling to describe freshwater fish that are not considered game fish. These fish are typically coarse-scaled and have a relatively low market value. Common examples of coarse fish include carp, bream, roach, and perch. While coarse fish may not be prized for their sporting qualities or culinary appeal, they play an important role in many aquatic ecosystems and can provide recreational opportunities for anglers who enjoy catch-and-release fishing or targeting less popular species.